In order to use the draw function on Word, you go to the top icons on your toolbar and you click on Draw. You get several different options for pens, pencils, highlighters, the eraser, various different options. So once you've chosen what you would like, you can now write anything that you want using your stylus straight onto your screen. If you'd like to make more space in your table, you click on the select button so that you can see the cursor and you can press enter. You can just move that around as you need to. If you would like to do some math writing in there, you will see that there's an option in your top tab saying ink to maths. If you click on that, a new option will come up. So you can write there your pi times 5 squared, and you can click insert, and you can carry on from there.